Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I silk press my hair. And first of all, my hair is already washed and conditioned, and I'm going to just show you guys what I used. I used the Joico Moisture Recovery Shampoo. It looks just like this. I got it at, I think, Salon Centric. Where did I get it? No, I got it from Cosmoprof. I got this from Cosmoprof. You do need like a professional license to go in there, or you need to know somebody to go in there. I do have my license, so that's where I get it from. And then for my conditioner, I do have the same conditioner from the same line, but I did want a really good deep condition, so I used the Shea Moisture Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Conditioner. It looks just like this. I got this at my local Walgreens. You can get it at like any local drugstore, honestly. So that's what I used, and I left this in my hair for about 20 minutes. The main thing about a silk press, you want to make sure you have super clean and moisturized hair. So I really cleaned my hair 2 times with the Joico shampoo, and like I can literally hear it squeaking. Like, that's how clean it is. And then the conditioner, I left it for about 20 minutes, and then I rinsed it out for probably like 4 to 5 minutes, because you don't want any product in your hair when you're starting off with this, because these products are really heavy and it will weigh your hair down if you leave any in your hair. So I just really rinsed this out, and that's basically where we are now. And now I'm gonna start off with my Ion Styling Heat Protectant Smoothing Spray, and it's just like this, and it says it leaves your hair shiny and silky smooth. I got this from Sally's Beauty Supply, so you could get this too. You don't need a license to go there, clearly. And I just spray this all over my hair. I just want it to be really saturated in this. And this is how I'm going to start my blow dry. And after I spray that throughout my hair really good, I'm going to just go in the center of my hair, because that's really dry. But you just want it to really be in there. After I do that, I go in with my Michael Mercier Professional Detangling Brush. It looks just like this. They have, I think, 2 or 3 different ones. The blue one is for like thick hair, so that's the one I have, and it just easily detangles my hair, so I really love this. And my sister here is in this brush right now, which is nasty. So I'm just gonna get those little gnats out of there. And now I'm gonna just go in and detangle my hair real quick. It's pretty much already detangled, but I'm just really making sure, because I detangled it last night before I put it up in like just like a bun, just to make the process easier. And now I'm gonna just go in and separate it and divide it so I can start blow drying it. Okay, now I got my hair divided. I usually put it into 6 sections. I do 3 on this side and 3 on this side. And now I'm gonna just start basically blow drying it. And I like to use the Thin brush. I have the black one, and it's the one with 9 rows. You can take the rows out. I got the one with 9. It just works better for me. And then I'm using this blow dryer, and it is the Infrared Ion X Professional by Ginnery, I believe. It looks just like this. I got this off of Amazon, and I also got my black Denman brush off of Amazon as well. And I like to blow dry my hair on high heat, high speed, and that's just because when you are blow drying your hair, the most important part is basically getting your hair super clean, and also the blow dry process, because you want to get your hair as straight as you can in the blow dry process. That way you don't have to put any much more heat on your hair when you're straightening it. So this is what I use: high heat, high speed. Okay, you guys, so I finished blow drying my hair, and this is what I got. It's a little bit more poofy right here because I have bangs and they're just not laying down. But yeah, for the most part, it is pretty straight, and it is all the way dry. You just want to make sure it's super dry, like 100% dry, especially your roots. I always go in and I double check my roots and go over my roots just so they are 100% dry. And now I'm just going to divide my hair again, and we're going to start the straightening process. But first I'm going to add a little bit more product. So my hair, it is very humid here, so I'm going to add another product. It's just because it's humid, and if I just add this one product, it's not going to work. But if I straighten my hair like in the winter time, I'll just put in the Super Skinny Serum by Paul Mitchell. It looks just like this, but since I said it is basically the summertime and it is super hot and it's humid here, I'm going to add a little bit of the old school pressing oil, literally just a little bit, probably like literally like that much on my fingertip for my whole head. You don't need a lot of this because this is very thick and it will weigh your hair down. And now I'm just going to squirt some of this in there. I'm pretty generous with this. And we're going to mix that together and then just put it throughout my whole head. And you really want to focus this product on your ends, because my roots, they get oil from natural oils, but my ends are colored. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's like a really dark blue. So I try to put a lot of the product there. And you're taking a little bit more of the Super Skinny Serum and putting that on my ends again. And just making sure my whole head gets some of the lemon. And now I look like a freaking like hillbilly, like with this little piece right here. Boop. But yeah, now I'm gonna just go the right of my hair and I will be back. Okay guys, so I already went and did the back of my head just because it's easier that way. And this is what it's looking like. Now we're gonna do the rest. So I just go in and I take more of the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I just put a little bit more in the section I'm gonna do. And then I take my Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Flat Iron. It looks just like this. It's the 1-inch one. And I set it on 40. I don't know if that's 400 or what. I just put it on 40 because it goes up to 50. So I don't think it's 400. Probably like 350, 375. And I also use this comb I got on Amazon. It's just a heat protectant rat tail comb. And what I do is I take very small sections, literally like this, and I take the comb, I gotta move that over, take the comb, I comb the piece out, and I put it there, and then I just follow it with the flat iron slowly, and I go over my roots a couple times first, make sure those are really straight, and then I just slide down, and I'll go over my ends one more time. So, then go over the roots. And then we're going to slide down following the comb. And then I take the comb, I put it through one more time, and I just go over the ends. And that's how I do it. And using the comb, it just helps make sure there's no tangles in your hair when you're flat ironing it. And that is super straight while you're doing it. So it's kind of just guiding it. And then we're going to repeat it. Take a small step. Take a small piece. Go over your roots a few times. And go down the hair shaft, following the comb. Lift the comb up, put it back, and then go over your ends one more time. And I'll just do that throughout my whole head. Okay y'all, so this is my final look. I don't do the whole curl thing because I don't like that. I like my hair to be pin straight, but this is how it looks. And as you can see, it's super shiny. It's not like way down or anything. It's just very moisturized, very shiny, and it's like silky straight. I'm obsessed with it. You guys see this? Like, oh girl. And all I did was I laid my edges a little bit, and I used the Maury's Edge Wax Extreme Hold, and it looks just like this. If you guys never use this, girl, try it. I think I need a better toothbrush though, because I just used one I get from the dentist, And it's like the soft one. I think I need like a rough one or something, because this is just, this stuff, it keeps your, when I say it's maximum hold, it is extreme hold. Your edges stay there, they are not moving anywhere, and they're shiny, and it doesn't cause like flaking or buildup or anything. So this is my new go-to. Okay, but yeah, this is my final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click that little notification bell so you can be notified when my videos go up. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Don't care what you said, I'm a